Daily time frame, GBPUSD. We've been on a rip since the 27th of June with one down close candle on the 9th of July. And from the 27th of June to now, current date, which is the Monday, the 15th of July, we've just been on a tear. We've been on an absolute rip, guys. So it'll be stupid for you guys to think that, oh yeah, sell side below the order block is going to be taken. I do believe that the weekly buy side liquidity, which I've mapped out here, mapped out quite some time ago actually, it's the next point of interest.
And you have the cover for this? No.
No, I don't think so. I'll clear it and I'll
give me that cover there.
Which one? This?
That knot is covered. This one is the round one. Yeah. I need this one.
I'll find it. You still hungover? How do you feel? You look happier though. I feel like shit. I was even thinking to get some fresh air to see if that would make things better, but because I'm literally 1 minute into another recording and I just don't even feel like doing it no more. Yes, guys, I know you can hear me. I don't want to do this recording, but I feel like I have to. Yeah. It is. I feel like absolute shit right now. At least you didn't go through the same stress. Jesus. That was actually death. Yeah. You're not going back to sleep, are you?
I'm not having that.
Oh man. It's gonna rain soon. So hopefully the rain will make you go to sleep a bit quicker. Apparently it's gonna rain in a couple minutes. Or an hour? Gotta check again. Oh yeah, I'm gonna disturb you later on when you're sleeping. Because I want to try and get 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get 3 more recordings done and then I'm gonna leave to get some fresh air. Hoping that it's not gonna rain when I leave. I just need to get out of this. I need to just get fresh air. I feel like shit. Excuse my French, guys. Not good. Not good. How's your belly feeling? It's feeling much better. It's not feeling good. Alright, you're feeling, I'd say, on a 6 out of 10. Seriously? You still spewing out the red stuff? Red wine? Seriously? Oh my god, I don't think drinking alcohol would have helped as well. Alright, I'm going to disturb you later, okay? I'm going to finish off these recordings. And I've got 3 more left after this, so I'll call you when I'm about to leave, okay, bro? I will wake you up. I'm joking. I'll call you twice. If you don't answer, I'll know where you are. Alright, bro. Catch up with you later, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright. No. Sorry guys, that was my other half there. My god. This week, it's like I can't go through all of my recordings without one disturbance, but man, I love them anyways. No problem. So as I was saying, I'm looking out for a draw on buy side, which is at 130.037, currently at 129. So that is a nice whole psychological number in which could work. I say it could work, but wait, hold on. It's not even accurate, is it? That could be deemed as the consequent encroachment, but that's not what I'm trying to do here. So it's actually 129,954. But then I'll be also looking out for 130. So I'll be looking for a draw of 130. That'll be the next point of interest. I know, guys. I'm not aiming for bigger targets, like for example, this weekly and yearly buy side liquidity from 2022. I do believe that we would need to see some form of retracement to get that extra liquidity to take us up into the 131. But by the end of the day, anything is possible. And I mean, at the time of this recording, it's looking like we're going to meet this target right here. I am going to be neutral because I do believe a lot of the delivery has been done for GBPUSD. Unlike Euro, I do believe that Euro has a bit of an upside to go, as you've got equilibrium at the 109,473 area, which I'm expecting price to meet. But as for GBPUSD, I feel like the delivery's already been done. We've already took buy side out. We've already traded up into the daily order block, which is the last up close candle before we saw a retracement to the downside, all the way down to the weekly 6th to the 30th of March 2023 lows. And obviously all of this is just chopping price action. So I think we're going to meet that right now, actually, as we speak. So if we do meet this target, right, then I'll be honest with you guys, I'm neutral going into the future. I mean, if I was to place any long trades, then I'll be aiming to go long on manipulation. So I'd either want to go long within this fair value gap or this fair value gap. More of this than anything, this area here than anything else. If I was looking to go long, I'd like price action to be around there. So I don't know if we're going to see a spike. Maybe we could tap and then wick. You can see a shooting star. That could maybe lead us to the previous daily buy side liquidity. But with that being said, I feel like the weekly area is pretty much full free. So we're only a few ticks away. Let's have a look at the hourly time frame. Let's have a look at what's going on. Yeah, by the looks of it, we're gonna meet this area very, very soon. If it's not now, it's gonna be. If it's not within this trading recording, this session that I'm recording, it's gonna probably be as soon as I exit this recording. Order block. So this would be a point of interest if you were to see a shift in market structure. I want to see price action trade below this area. Now give me an indication that, yeah, you know what, the market's done doing what it's got to do and it's time for a reversal. If you don't get that, then there's a good chance that we can continue trading up into the highs. So I'm looking at this area right here. It's down, so I don't need all of this. $9,954. I do believe we'll meet that. This is what has happened today. Sell stops hasn't been taken, so if sell stops were taken, then this retracement into the order block would be a brilliant buy. But because we never got stops taken, it's a miss. It's a miss for me. Nice little one. I'll be honest, I'll be aiming for the 130 region, you know. So it's 181. But that is not really a high probability trade for the mere fact that this low to the London session never took out sell stops. So 5 o'clock create the high. This is London, low and high. And obviously you come into the US, so this is the US AM session. We've already created the high, and that is area which I'm looking out for. Oh man. Quickly have a look at the 15. Guys, I genuinely don't have a look at the 15-minute time frame. I don't tend to upload the 15-minute time frame because I tend to keep that for VIP members. But let's quickly have a look at the 15-minute time frame for GBPUSD just to see how it's delivered. And as you can see, As you can see, we opened, sold off, nothing really of importance. We do have a fair value gap, but that was negated. Yeah, this break here, and this would be the area of interest to look for long. It's going to be using a 15-minute time frame. I tell myself, all right, stops hasn't been taken, so I'm going to take the additional risk, place my order right there at the low, with my target being one tick below. And then the idea would be to ride up into this area here. And this is a London trade. No, it's actually a US trade. And this is a low, you'd actually class this as a low resistance liquidity run, you know? This is deemed as a low resistance liquidity run. Not one down close candle. So what that meant is we're literally going to target buy side liquidity, which we did. And this would be an area. This is the reason why I don't show my 15-minute time frame, because I know that there's a lot of setups that could be taken when using smart money concepts. And that day, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's not cheap. The amount of time and effort and fucking pain I went through just to understand how markets book, just to understand why something like this would happen. The reason why this happened is because immediate stops were taken. Ideally, I'd like to see these stops taken first, and then would see a run. But obviously, that would negate this fair value gap. So 2 o'clock London low. Ideally, what I'd like to see is a spike below there. Then we see high, low, higher, high, breaker, order block, fair value gap, price trade back into that area, and that is the area where I deem a high probability chance for us to get up to the order block there. So that would be my trade. I never obviously took this, but this would be something that if I was trading GBPUSD, I'd want to look out for this. All right, because if market was to trade down into this area, I'd probably just go right past my stop. So instead of putting it there, I might as well just put it there and to cut my losses 1 tick below, a couple of ticks below, because you know how Forex will take you out even though it hasn't even met that area. Fucking pricks. Yeah, this is what I'd look out for. This is what I'll be doing. This would be the trade setup. That would be the setup right there. Although it hasn't delivered yet. So you got one. That's one buy. 2, 3. Could you add to this? Nah, no possible chance to add to this. So yeah, this is how I personally trade, and I'm not gonna lie, it's perfect, you know. 2 down close candles, fair value gap. I mean, if you really want to take the piss, you could even go as far as saying, you know what, this is the breakaway gap, so let me lower this. And this is why trading the lower time frames is something I love, man. You could do something like this. So you know what, instead of taking that risk right there, I'm gonna enter 2 times at once there. All right, stop stays the same, but another one at this point, another one there. I'm riding it up to that region. So that's 25.8 handles. Breakaway gap, buy stops taken, retracement into. Bear in mind we haven't had this move yet. Yeah, so retracement back into the breakaway gap, rally, sell off one more time, low resistance liquidity run coming into 8:30. Time is very important. Look at time, 8:30. That's when we started the run. 8:45. Bullish order block. 9:30. Bullish order block, and we just continue to run. So I do believe we're going to get up to this region here, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted once we do. But with that being said, 40 minutes in, peace. I don't usually spend this much time on Forex pairs, but hey, I guess I surprise you guys every now and again with some shit. Yeah, guys, I'm loving you. I'm out.